is talk about cutting tulips to bring inside. I would go as far down as you can into the tulip and cut it. Normally we'll pull the foliage off because we don't want that to foul the water, but you can pull that off, cut it at an angle so that it'll take up water, and you want to put it in warm water so that it will take up the water. And then if you have the ability to put it somewhere where it, like in a refrigerator or in a cooler, that will let it condition overnight. It'll take up water and it'll last a lot longer. You can also add a little Sprite, some type of sugary clear to the water to help it to last longer, or you could buy the crystals that you mix in the water that'll allow it to last longer. This one is a little farther along, so I would only expect it to last probably within the week. But if you cut it when they first start coming out and they haven't totally opened, it'll last longer, maybe a couple weeks.